A hospital on Chicago's north side is facing possible closure. The shaky future comes as the federal government is cutting Medicaid funding.
NBC5's Lisa Chavarria is live outside Weiss Hospital to explain what we know this morning. Lisa?
There's still so many questions, Michelle and Kate. So here's the thing. We are expecting to hear from staff at a rally that will be held outside of Weiss Memorial Hospital at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Because here's the thing. There's a grassroots organization that is saying that the ER is set to close at 7 o'clock this morning. Now, we reached out to the hospital owner. The hospital owner has not confirmed that. But in fact, we still haven't been able to get any of our questions answered. We're still working on that. I want to show you what the ER looks like. We are seeing employees still going in, and you can see there are people just outside there. What we haven't seen are patients coming in at this point. What we do know is Medicaid funding is set to be pulled here tomorrow. Medicaid payments make up about 80% of the hospital's revenue. Without it, there are fears it will close. Stoking those concerns, locked doors at the hospital. We saw that there is still a sign directing people to a nearby professional building. Last month, the hospital found out its Medicaid funding would be cut by tomorrow. The Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services said Weiss failed to meet federal standards, even claiming it didn't have enough nurses on staff. Patients are still trying to get answers.
They're keeping us in limbo. I went to my doctor, and they have no answers either. They can't give me an answer because they don't know.
We're also trying to get more answers. We, again, reached out to the hospital's owner, still waiting to hear back. At a separate event calling for more funding for community health care, Senator Dick Durbin says he's monitoring this situation.
We have been in touch with them to really investigate some reports that we received about the quality of care and safety for the patients. That is the bottom line here. And some questions were raised, and we communicated those to Weiss. We're going to continue to follow that.
According to the Sun-Times, state investigators also found Weiss had been out of compliance for months because of issues with the emergency room and the air conditioning system. You may remember the hospital dealt with air conditioning problems just last month. And we're back out here live just outside of Weiss Memorial Hospital, and you can see we have been seeing employees coming in and out of the emergency room. So here's the thing. We are expecting to hear more from hospital staff and just from community members about their concerns with this funding coming to an end. So, of course, as soon as we get more of those answers, we'll be sure to bring those to you. We'll send it back to you.
I know you'll keep trying. All right, Lisa, thank you.